Luxor Mining Honest Review Watch Before Using. Most people think mining cryptocurrency is all about buying expensive hardware, but Luxor Mining offers a different approach with cloud-based mining pools. Luxor Mining is a platform that allows miners to join mining pools for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. One standout feature is its focus on profitability analytics. Users can see expected payouts, hash rates, and pool fees before committing, helping them make informed decisions. Most people get this wrong. They assume larger pools always mean better rewards. The surprising truth is that Luxor Mining uses a unique paperless share system that can be more predictable than traditional mining pools. This can reduce payout volatility for miners who want steady returns. Another advantage is transparency. Luxor provides detailed statistics in real time, showing how blocks are mined, pool fees, and revenue. Miners can choose which pool to join depending on their hardware, electricity costs, or cryptocurrency preferences. However, there are considerations. Mining profitability depends on electricity costs, network difficulty, and crypto prices. Luxor Mining does not eliminate these risks, and new miners may need some technical knowledge to set up hardware or configure software properly. In conclusion, Luxor Mining is a strong choice for miners seeking transparent pools with predictable payouts. It's ideal for both hobbyists and professional miners who want analytics-driven insights, but always weigh electricity and hardware costs before diving in. Subscribe for more honest cryptocurrency mining reviews before you commit to a platform.